So like I said, I've been working on Springtrap, making him flexible. I should have done this when I started because it's a pain to do it now. I haven't put his underwear on. I got to work on his ears. I want to separate it out into some different separate videos instead of just doing it all at once, so that I can get some feedback. And his jaw is movable back here. Hello. I decided I had printed an eye and tried to paint it. And then I was like, you know, a BB fits in there really good, so a steel BB is just stuck in there. Makes it nice and smooth and shiny, so I might replace that eye. Let me know if you think that's a good idea, and we'll finish him up. But I was trying to make a tutorial on how to separate these out and make a pattern in Pepakura, and my face group stopped showing up in Meshmixer after I upgraded it. Well, I found out that the easiest way to get that to show back up is just hit the space bar, and you'll see this under color, it was set to this, which didn't show the face groups. So if you click on that, then you can see the face groups. So the angle threshold, you want to bump it up until the inside and outside are two separate colors, and then you can easily select just the inside, and with edit separate, you can get just that and export it as either an OBJ or an STL. Doesn't matter. Pepakura doesn't seem to care which you do. So that's going to be his upper left arm. And go into Pepakura. Open. If you can find upper. Alphabetical, huh? Underwear, upper left arm. Yeah, I gotta print his underwear, but I'm gonna 3D print his underwear. Okay, no flip, and finish. Then there you go. That's the inside of that upper arm that you could unfold. So we go ahead and unfold it. Make sure that we're not changing the dimensions by doing auto. You want manual so that you can keep the scale. You can actually change the scale a little bit, you know, make it a little bigger or smaller, but very, whatever. Okay, now as you can see, in the initial unfold, some of the pieces went whippy. Also, when I print it, I don't want the tabs to show, or flaps. So I turn off flaps. Now you see some of these little ones, they're not a big deal. They're just little itty bitty shards. But this here, I'd like to reconnect back up here. You can also choose where you split. So it's interesting how that's. So what you do is you can reconnect them. So that's going in there somewhere, or at least it was trying to go in there, but didn't have enough room to fit. So you could just put it over there. Of course it moved on me because I did it the wrong direction. This thing just looks way bigger unwrapped. Oh, I see, because actually the crease is here. So this, if you wanted to, you could separate it here and reconnect it over there. That looks more like what I expected it to look like. And this piece here, where's that one getting reconnected to? There. Yeah, that might be okay. And then I'll print this out, and you could reinforce it with some plastic on the back that you could heat up, sort of like a shrinky dink, but just a little bit of plastic. Before, what I did was I actually took this and printed it flat on the 3D printer, and then heated it up and warped it around something similar in size that I wanted. So that's about it. Now I'm going to clean up my workspace and get to working on this couch. And I'll cut it out and assemble it so I can do Boris Gump. More Springtrap building to come with a fire finale. Yeah, you have to see that because I don't know how that's going to work out. Anyway, I got to go build a couch now. I don't know why, but I'm going to be building a couch. Yeah, I know why.